Hey guys, you having fun? Did you have a fun weekend? Did you watch any funny movies? See any funny TV shows? What did I see? I watched a fun movie with one of my friends, right? So that style, right? So this is something I want you guys to think about whenever you're using English. These two words, the word fun and the word funny. Are they the same thing? I know they look really close, right? They look like the same word almost, right? Fun and funny. But when we use them in English, we use them differently. So first, I'm going to do the word fun. For the word fun, we use it when we mean that we enjoy. We enjoy something that's happening. This might be English class, right? I think you guys will enjoy English class. I hope you enjoy English class when you study with your classmates. Maybe you went to a party and you think to yourself, oh yeah, that was really, really fun. I went to dinner with my friends. I went to a party. I went shopping with my family and we had so much fun, right? Same there. I had fun. I love this too. I say I had so much fun. And that's how we use fun. The feeling is really that sense of joy. I really, really enjoyed what happened there. So next, let's go to the word funny. For the word funny, my favorite example is my buddy, Mr. Bean. So if you don't know Mr. Bean, here's a picture of him right here. Mr. Bean, right? I love his videos because he's very, 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 very funny. So funny, think of something like comedy, right? Comedy or a joke. This is where we laugh. Where we laugh at something that is funny. All right? So between those two, just don't forget fun and joy. Funny, right? Fun, funny. And that's all for now, right? Okay. So, kind, kindly. Kind, kindly. So let's look. He is kind. He is kindly. What can I use? He is kind. He is kindly. This one, kindly, I don't like. Kindly, I don't like. He is kind is correct. But these, look, he kindly asked me. He kindly asked me, right? Or he kind asked me. He kind asked me. Which one? Which one do I want to use? Okay, so this one I go like this. Kindly asked. Kind asked. You're right. This one, it's okay. This one, I don't like. Why? Why? This one okay, and then this one's okay. Well, it's because kind is an adjective. Kind is an adjective. He is kind. Adjectives, right? We often use be plus our adjective. So is a be verb. So I can say he is, you are. Of course, I am kind. But this one, let's see. If I say he kindly asked me. Kindly asked me. Ly, that's our clue. Ly we use with our adverbs, right? Quickly, kindly, slowly. So here, he kindly asked me. An adverb, this one, adverb, this word we use with our verb. Asked, our verb. So, see that? We have our adjective, be. We have our verb, kindly. Safe, safety. Safe, safety. Same, different? Let's find out. Singapore is safe. Singapore is safety. Be safe, be safety, safety first. Are these okay? First one, Singapore is safe. We're okay. Singapore is safety. No, this one is not okay. Be safe. Yeah, it's okay. Be safety. Nope, not okay. And safety first. This one, safety first. That one is okay. Now, why? Why is it okay? First one, Singapore is safe. Safe is an adjective. You guys, yeah, the other video too, same. Adjective. So if it's an adjective, we can use it with be, right? Same as kind and, well, same for kind and kindly, right? Be safe. He is safe. Same here. Be safe. It's okay. Safety is not an adjective. Safety is a noun. Nouns, be safety? No, we don't use safety with our be. After be, we're not using our noun. We're using our adjective. So that's why, same here, Singapore is safety? No. And our last one, how about this? Safety first, this one's okay. Safety first, this phrase, noun plus first, is okay. So that's it. See you next time.